So initially I was having some problems with the measurements. I spent about all day trying to figure out what went wrong. So my vehicle line is level, and then the trunk floor pan. So I was finally able to get this level and realize what had happened. So I was able to do some modifications, but it was jacking up the entire driver's side of the vehicle, rear driver's side. And what it is was I needed to secure this with a jack and wood block and drop the rear frame rail. So one of the problems I was having was I was indexing off the rear frame rail when I shouldn't have been. I knew the parts weren't dimensionally correct. However, I didn't think it would have this big of an impact. So I've gone ahead and chiseled out the tacks and small seams that I've put on that rear frame rail to the inner rocker, and everything seems to be working out right now. Let's see if I can. This is squared up. Let's see if I can get that up out here so you guys can see that. So you can see, I don't know if that's a best image, but it does appear to be level. So where it stands now is I will go ahead and put some welds on there. I know it's really bad. I probably should be getting better penetration on those welds, but I'll get this figured out. And I'll get that squared away, and hopefully that rear wheel well will sit correctly. I was just a little bit at the flange. It was kind of at the lower end, so I didn't feel like that was a good enough fit. But as I went to the back, I was able to correct that slightly with movement in the trunk floor pan. But again, that was one of the issues I was having. But I did have to go through and use the lift again to jack up that roof line, and that seemed to cure up some of the issues. So after I get this corrected, I will make another video, but that's just one of the methods you can use in lieu of not having the fixturing. So yeah, feel free to have at it. It's about 4 levelers, a jack stand or 2, and a couple lifts and engine lift, and you get there. That's all it takes. Alright guys, peace.